don't skip the video because you will not be able to learn this trick without watching the performance. So kindly check out the description below, follow the steps, click on the link, subscribe my channel and watch the performance video without any problem. Okay, make sure to follow the steps and open the link in your Chrome browser only. Okay, and if you still are not able to watch the performance, kindly check out the I button above, or you can also check out in the description. The link for the video is given about how to open menus. So now, without wasting time, let's move on to the tutorial of this magic. So basically, for this trick, you need a full 52 deck of cards and one extra joker. Okay, so you need a joker for this trick. This joker is not needed. I will take this joker. I like this joker because this is so cool. And you need 2 cards. Okay, not extra, from within this deck. And these 2 cards could be any face cards. Okay, but make sure it should be a red or a black. So in that performance, I had taken the black jacks. It's your choice to take a black jack or red jack. In this tutorial, I will take this red jack. So now, all these cards are already shuffled. You can again shuffle these cards, or you can say your spectator to shuffle these cards. Now, you will spread the cards and say that all these cards are face down. After that, you will take one of the jack, no matter which one, and keep the jack on top of these cards facing up. And then the joker facing down, and then another jack facing up. So now the setup is this. You will show your spectator and this is the setup. Okay, and now when you square these cards, you give a pinky break on top of the top card. Showing these cards to the spectator and squaring these cards, and in that squaring motion, you are giving a pinky break on top. Okay, below the top card. Now, you will transfer this pinky break into a thumb break, and you will do now a double undercut. From the front side, even the pinky break, even you give a pinky break or a thumb break, it is not visible from the front side. But that's because of the bang of the card. Okay, that's not because of the pinky break. Okay, so here now you will transfer into a thumb break. Still not visible anything. Okay, from the side it may be visible, but from the front side it is not visible. Now you will cut around to the double undercut. It is look like this. You will cut around a very small pile of cards from the bottom and keeping these cards on top. And make sure that the thumb break is still on. And if you are not able to balance this thumb break, hold these cards with the left hand and make sure to give a pinky break. And now it's on. Pinky break is still there. You will hold these cards with your thumb and then take this rest of the cards and cut. Now, with that motion, the jack number 1 is on the bottom, but they don't know it. And the joker and the jacks are on top. Okay, that's a secret move, but they don't know anything. Now you will spread the cards to select and say that you can select any card. Make sure to do not flash that jack and the joker, and yes, also make sure not to show it like this, or else they may be able to understand what you are doing. Okay, so just spread the cards and make sure not to spread too deep, or this may be visible. Spread the card and say your spectator to select a card. Let's say they selected this one in this case. Square this card, and now you will show this card to a spectator. Keep this card right onto the bottom part of the deck. And then, as you have seen in the performance what I had did, and then next part was I will turn this card and I will also see their card. Now you are also able to see their card, they are also able to see their card. At this point, the spectator may get confused that what happened. You had them told me to select a card, but now you are also seeing the card. You will say that that's the part of the magic. Now, while you are talking to the spectator, while you are showing this card, make sure not to flash this card. Okay. Make sure not to flash this card. When you are talking, you are just pulling the bottommost card, that is the joker, with your pinky finger. And in the export view is like this. When you are talking, you are just crunching the bottommost card, the Joker. Yes? Now you will say that now I will cut these cards. And cut these cards and now keep the cards. No matter wherever you cut, that's not the point. On the bottom, you will say that now I will keep these cards on the bottom. Or you can also say now I'm mixing this card. But actually you are keeping this card on top of the Joker. But they don't know anything. They didn't notice anything. And now, with that, your Joker is on top. Now, your jacks are now somewhere into the middle. You just snap it, and the Joker is not there. This is the selection, the 5 of diamonds. Now you will say that the question is, where is the Joker? Yes, you may give some of the false cuts in this case, so I will make a proper video on how to give false cuts for beginners. Okay, so now in this case, the Joker is on top. Now you will do this. As you can see in the performance, when I rub in this finger in my hand, in the card flies. The card sticks to the hand, to my hand, right from the middle. But now it is not on the middle, this is on top. Okay, so the secret was this. This is your spectacular view, okay? The spectacular view, the card jumps right there. But how, I will now show you. I'm not doing this. I am also extending my right hand pinky finger, and now in this way, the card is flying. And when it comes at this point, I just grab this card with my index and thumb finger and say that the Joker has come right somewhere from the middle of the deck. And that's the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Hope you're able to learn this magic. I think many of you may not be able to learn this magic because you have not watched the performance. So kindly click the link given in the description, follow the steps, and watch the performance. I recommend you to watch the performance to learn this trick. So thanks for watching. Bye for now. Peace out.